Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will start the first chapter of physics and the name of the chapter is motion. But before starting the definition, let's go through the introduction first of all. In everyday life we see some objects at rest and other is motion. Birds fly, fish swim, or you can say blood flows through veins and arteries. Okay, so these all are the example which you can see. Maybe some things are in at rest or some in motion. Okay, atoms, molecules, planets, stars and galaxies are all in motion, right? So how you can infer the motion of air? आपको कैसे पता लगता है कि air चल रही है? By observing the movement of dust and the movement of leaves and branches of trees. Okay, so how you can define the motion? So here's the definition. Movement of any object from one position to another position with respect to the observer is called as motion. Okay, एक object का position में change होना with respect to the observer is called as motion. Next is motion along a straight line. When an object moves along a straight line, the motion of the object is called rectilinear motion. जब आप movement कर रहे हो straight line के through, okay, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rectilinear motion. For example, motion of a car on highway. Okay. Next definition is vectors and scalar quantities. Now, what are vector quantities and what are scalar quantities? Vector is a quantity which has both magnitude and direction. जिसकी magnitude और direction दोनों होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Vector quantity. For example, force and position etc. Now what is scalar quantity? Scalar is a quantity with which direction is not associated. Means जिसका सिर्फ magnitude होता है लेकिन direction नहीं होती. For example, mass means weight, temperature and time etc. Okay. Next definition is distance. क्या होता है distance? Length of path covered by a moving object in the given time irrespective of the direction. कितना path आपने cover किया है उसकी जो length होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Distance. Okay. Distance is a scalar quantity and its SI unit is meter. आप कैसे distance को वो करते हो, measure करते हो? मीटर में. Okay. Next is displacement. The shortest distance measured from initial to the final position of an object is known as the displacement. Shortest distance starting point से लेकर final position तक क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Displacement. Okay. And displacement is a vector quantity.